Hi everyone, welcome to FinTech Academy. This is Hirsch. Today I will go over and provide information about our certified FinTech QuickBooks Online Specialist course. All right, let's have a look in that. All right, so first of all, let's have a look who is this course for. This course is designed for anyone who is starting with QuickBooks Online, someone who has used QuickBooks Desktop before and wants to get understanding of QuickBooks Online, students looking for jobs, those seeking to enhance their current QuickBooks skills, business owners wanting to get their books online, and bookkeepers or accountants for your own practice. So basically the course is for anyone who wants to get a good hands-on with QuickBooks Online. The course is both practical, I mean to say hands-on with exercises, as well as the explanation of the topic will be done theoretical in the class. Right, so let's have a look what will the course cover. Our QuickBooks Online course will cover everything you need to start using QuickBooks Online. The course will also be highlighting the major differences between QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. So first we'll start with Introduction to QuickBooks Online. Which QuickBooks Online is right for me? QuickBooks Online subscriptions, benefits of using QuickBooks Online, and mobile device and QuickBooks Online, how they work together. Next, we'll see creating your company file in QuickBooks Online. So we'll be going through company setup, create the company file hands-on in QuickBooks Online, and we'll be looking at the sales tax setup, how to do that in the QuickBooks Online. Once we have learned that and completed that part, we'll go through the navigation in QuickBooks Online. How do you go through the home page? What is the gear icon, the plus icon, the search icons, the recent transactions, how to find those? What is the left-hand navigation in on the dashboard? So a little bit good to know, kind of like, the software layout, the tool that we're going to use, right? That's what is this portion over here. Thereafter, we'll be starting off with chart of accounts, a very valuable topic, of course, for any organization. Understanding and creating chart of accounts, what is account type and detail type, as there is a difference between the two, and detail type is new in QuickBooks Online. When I say new, I mean to say it's not there in QuickBooks Desktop, but it is in QuickBooks Online. So what is the importance of detail type, and both of them, which are mandatory, how do we use them? Of course, then we're looking at creating hands-on QuickBooks Online chart of accounts, and then we'll go through how do we edit, update, delete chart of accounts, all those details on that. Further continuing, we'll be learning about products and services, that creating inventory items in QuickBooks Online, linking of the COGS account, which is cost of goods sold, the income and the asset accounts to items. Once we are done that, let's go through the next part, which will be setting up customers and suppliers, because we need to sell the products and the buy. So in that case, Customer Center is going to help us with respect to the selling, creating the customers in QuickBooks Online, working with Supplier Center, creating suppliers in QuickBooks Online, and then modifying customers and supply information, hiding, deleting customers and suppliers. Everything is hands-on with the exercise. So we give our own manuals with the examples, wherein the whole book is connected right from the beginning, creating the company, putting the chart of accounts, customer, suppliers. Further, we'll be recording the transactions. Supplier transactions first, we'll start with the purchase order, then recording the bills and how do they connect with the purchase order, and thereafter paying the bills and tracking the accounts payable, looking at the corresponding reports along with each transactions that we enter. Customer transactions are going to be starting with estimates, connecting the invoicing to estimates, receiving the payments, which is money coming in, and if you do the recording deposits thereafter, when you take the funds to the bank or you deposit the funds in the bank. Once we have understood this portion, we'll be taking over the valuable part, which is banking transactions, recording the expenses transactions, the transfer of funds, movement of funds between accounts, writing checks, which is money going out. Further, we'll look at bank reconciliation, of course, a very valuable portion in any organization. So what is the status before reconciling, and where do we stand after reconciling? What is the reconciliation summary report? How do we view that? What we should look in there? How do we confirm that our reconciliation is correct? The reconciliation detail report, what does it cover? Once we have understood the whole bank reconciliation with hands-on, we'll go through the next portion, which is linking your bank and credit card accounts. What accounts can be linked? How does the linking work so that you can get your transactions directly in QuickBooks Online, and thereafter you can also allocate the transactions to the correct accounts. How do we add transactions in QuickBooks Online? So we'll be going through those portion in this topic. Thereafter, we'll explore a very important part, which if the company is in, that is sales tax. How do we handle sales tax in QuickBooks Online? How do we file the return in QuickBooks Online? What is tax agency detail report? What is the sales tax journal entry transaction? What is the GST HST suspense account, which is again new in QuickBooks Online. Again, when I say new, it's not in QuickBooks Desktop. So the conceptual part, that where does the suspense account kick in? Once we have understood that, then we touch a valuable topic, which is payroll. How to do payroll in QuickBooks Online, creating pay schedules, payroll items, if it's weekly, bi-weekly, whichever way the schedules are, we can put them in. Whatever the payroll items are, I mean to say, what are the earnings and deductions, if there are any other kind of items that we need to create, how do we do that? Creating the employees profile, paying the employees, and then calculating and paying source deductions. From where do we do that in QuickBooks Online? The PD7, the T4s, the record of employment, the T4 summary, all those year-end and monthly stuff. How do we, and from where do we access those? Once we have gone through that, then we'll touch another topic, which is designing your templates. How do I make my own invoice template? What are the flexibilities given by QuickBooks Online for that? Understanding the 4 functions of templates, learn to change, design, and contents of template. And then we will be entering transaction using the template that we have designed. Once we have done that, thereafter, yes, something that most companies want to, how do you view, not only view, but how do you also customize your reports in QuickBooks Online? What type of reports are available? Summarized report, detail report, customizing mean to say applying filters, saving customization so that the reports are readily available next time. You don't have to redesign the report again and again. Then assigning headers and footers to the report as we want it to be. And then if we want to create our own user custom groups so that we can put our valuable reports, whatever we have designed in that particular group. So explosive and very detailed chapter about reports in QuickBooks Online. Once we have gone through that, then we will be touching some of the special transactions which may or may not occur in a day-to-day business. But if they do occur, then it's good to know kind of how do we handle those transactions. So first is applying discounts and write-offs to open invoices. By that you will better be able to manage your accounts receivable. Applying credits to bills, void versus delete a check, when to use which one. How do you record the down payment or advance payment that you received from your customer? How do you record if you have given an advance payment to vendor? Once we go through those, then yes, we'll be touching the topic about QuickBooks Online mobile app, downloading the online mobile app, and thereafter what you can do with the app. How does it work? The functionalities and functions of the mobile app that could be useful. Let's say someone is on the go and they just want to send out an invoice or any of those kind of stuff. Certainly it can be helpful, or you want to have a quick look at your profit and loss. Where do you stand? You can absolutely do all those stuff with a mobile app. Advanced features, we will be looking at that. What is delayed credit and delayed charge? How these can be useful? These are technically non-accounting transactions, but they are very, very useful. So we'll see the practical use of that, understanding what is QuickBooks Labs, and then something that you want to find your transactions anytime. How do you do it quick, and what is the easiest way to do it? Once we'll go through that, thereafter a little bit about our valuable topic, which is security and data management, managing users, creating users, assigning the rights to them, audit log, which is very valuable portion of QuickBooks Online. As people are connecting, or users may be connecting from different places, if you want to keep an eye and you want to understand what is an audit log, or you want to find out a transaction which you made a change, what was the previous state, audit log can be very helpful. And we'll touch base about the importing of data. So all of these topics will be covered, and of course it'll be hands-on with respect to QuickBooks Online. And once we have gone through the course details on this, it comes with manuals as well. Certificate is also provided that you have done the course from FinTech Academy, and support thereafter the course is also provided. So if someone does the course and if they think that, down the line I'll need some help, not to worry, you can certainly reach out to us and we can. Right, guys, so if you have any questions with respect to the course, feel free to contact us at 1-833-LEARN-QB, or you can send us an email at courses@fintechsolutions.ca. Alternatively, you can also visit us at fintechsolutions.ca. See you in the course soon. Thank you.